Alright, so we're going to Calaveras on the boat.
Nope.
English. Okay. Alright, people. I'm here in the Calaveras.
Fish. Daddy, I see fish. Fish are like right here. Daddy, catch the fish. I see fish. Catch the fish. And they're gone. We're right here. This is us. Right. Let me sit down. That's our boat.
I just need to sit down.
And then that's our fish right there. And that's Mumbo's thing. Can I have one?
You want? Almost.
Can I have one, Mumbo? Mumbo, can I have one? Mumbo, can I have one,
still?
Mumbo?
Oh no.
Mumbo, can I have one? They're crunchy. That ain't.
Are they still?
I like the crunch.
Here, give me one.
I like the crunch.
Va a salir un pinche tiburón aquí.
Is that what still?
Is that a roller coaster right there?
No.
What is?
I think it's for trash.
Huh?
I think it's for trash.
Oh, for trash? Okay. It's for trash? I think so. Wait a minute. That rhymes with like the trash. Trash like that, girl.
Yep, like that girl. Alright, so we just moved spots. Still no fish.
Daddy, I'm hungry, Daddy.
No alligators.
Oh, there's one.
That's not an alligator. Oh my god. There is an alligator. Yeah? Look. Right over there. Where,
Oh, I see it.
right over somewhere over there.
I see it. I see it. It's right there. I see it. So there's one right behind you.
Look, the roller coaster is loading up. That way you can go.
This is so
Oh,
hungry, Daddy. Dad, you're literally the weight of the boat. Like all of us are like. See?
Okay, this is the end of this vlog. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Hi guys. I'm gonna open my box.
No, I'm trying to do this.
Oh, you come over here so I can spank you.
We are done with this vlog. Thanks for watching.
Thanks
Like
for
and
watching
subscribe.
Taylor's videos. Forever and ever and ever, I'm gonna break in your house.